There was nothing subtle about the video that aired on China's state TV. It showed police practicing anti-riot drills in Shenzhen, right across the harbor from Hong Kong, with rows of heavily armored personnel carriers ready to deploy. Likening some of the protesters to terrorists, China's ambassador to the UK said his nation has enough force at hand to end the unrest quickly, warning if things deteriorate, it will act.
They should not misjudge the situation and go down the wrong path.
And earlier this week, the situation did deteriorate. There were ugly confrontations at the international airport, disrupting more than 1,000 flights and fueling concerns the region's economy could tank if the unrest continues much longer. Though the situation in Hong Kong was calm today, protesters got an emotional boost with the release from jail of an earlier pro-democracy leader, Benny Tai. He faced off against Hong Kong's Chinese rulers in 2014's so-called Umbrella Revolution.
I'm very proud that I can stand with them together at this very moment in Hong Kong.
Just how likely a forceful Chinese intervention is remains hotly debated. Leading Chinese academics told a conference that Beijing is within its legal rights to invoke a state of emergency. But the young people driving the confrontations seem unfazed. We met some high school students handing out pamphlets. They wore masks, so police couldn't identify them. We can't stop their troops from entering Hong Kong, 16-year-old Leon Wong told us. He's betting China's leadership is unwilling to deal with the diplomatic and economic fallout that it would face. Another major protest has been planned for Sunday, although authorities are refusing to give the event a permit. Nonetheless, the crowds are expected to be enormous. This weekend could be a critical moment. Chris Brown, CBC News, Hong Kong.